Ever wondered how you can make money online using your smartphone? Today, we unravel the methods you can utilize to earn money online, harnessing the power of your handheld device. This can be a fascinating and valuable journey for you. Let's begin by selecting the right platform that suits your skills and time. A popular method is earning through YouTube by uploading videos. However, ensure your videos are informative, entertaining, and engaging. Should you possess a flair for writing, blogging could be an excellent avenue to generate income online. Express your thoughts and experiences through written words and share them with the world. Affiliate marketing is another popular method to earn money online. By marketing a product, you can earn a commission. You can also leverage social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter to promote your business or services and earn money. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how you can use your smartphone to make money online. So why wait? Start today and take a step towards achieving your dreams. Remember, the key to making money online is consistency, patience, and smart work. Whether it's creating engaging videos, writing captivating blogs, or marketing products effectively, it all requires time and effort. So be persistent, keep learning, and keep improving. In conclusion, we have discussed several ways you can make money online using your smartphone. We began by choosing the right platform, then moved on to discussing methods like making YouTube videos, blogging, affiliate marketing, and using social media platforms. Remember, the digital world offers endless opportunities. It's all about finding the right one that suits your talent and interest. So take that leap of faith, start today, and watch how your smartphone can turn into a money-making machine. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep earning.